Hello everyone, welcome to the Low English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post.
Good morning, Oyaore. Good evening, Oyimore. How are you? Idinadi. Today we're going to talk about reflexives in English. Now, not in English, in Luo. And Luo is a funny language because I tried to do reflexives and noticed that Luo words mean a lot of things, so that if you try to add the RE after the word, you mean something totally different for some words. So it's a bit challenging, but we'll do what we can, and then we'll show you why Luo language is a bit technical, because it has very many meanings for just one word. And we start with the word called kelo. Watch ni kelo.
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 Not kelo. Kelo.
Kelo.
Kelo.
Kelo.
And the reflective form is kelore.
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 Yes, you see, the word is kelo. But the reflexive, instead of being kelore, it becomes kelore.
Kelore.
Now, kelo means bring. Kelo means bring. Okay? But kelore means to scatter. You know scatter?
No.
So, kelo means bring, but kelore means to scatter. So it doesn't give a meaning similar to the first meaning. Like if something or kelore, it means, like, for example, if you have hair that is scattered around, you would say yewi or kelore, you know. So kelo becomes kelore. Now let's move on to the next word, and the next word is tedo.
Tedo.
Say tedo.
Tedo.
Now tedo is cook. Tedo is cook. And then tedore. Say tedore.
Tedore.
Tedore means it's cooking itself. So that's reflective. That's a reflexive, which is good. So, and bear with me as I write this. Tedo is cook.
Tedo.
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 Tedore.
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 Yes. So the reflexive form is tedore, and that means it's cooking itself. Cooking itself. Tedo, cook. Tedore, cooking itself. Now, there is another meaning for tedo. And the act of a lady going to the husband from their home is called tedo.
Tedo.
Yes. So, if a lady goes to the husband's home, like if she goes to get married, we say odi tedo.
Ode tedo.
Yes. But you see, now you cannot say tedore for that part of, like, odi tedo, because she has gone to get married. So the reflexive form does not exist. So that's why there's a different thing to that. Number 3. Cielo. Say cielo.
Cielo.
And you'll see that cielo also has very many meanings. And then you say cielore.
Cielore.
Now we have cielo,
Cielo.
cielore,
Cielore.
cielo,
Cielo.
cielore.
Cielore.
And I want to give you the first meaning of cielo is to what? Is to
Boil.
Yeah, fry, like fry, not boil. Yeah, but that's good trial. Now fry is cielo. Fry. And then cielore becomes frying itself. Frying itself. Now the second meaning of cielo is to fence. You see, if you fence out, like if you have a fencing wire and you fence out your compound, that is called cielo. And you might be having a live fence. So cielore would be if the live fence is fencing off your property. Then you say o cielore. Now in that case, cielore means my property is being fenced by it is fencing itself because the fence is growing. You see the meaning? So that changes the meaning of cielore to fencing itself from frying itself. And then the third one is to pierce. If you have a spear and you pierce an animal, like if you pierce something with a spear, we say il cielo.
Il cielo.
Yes, il cielo. Now if you cielo, they will need, unless it spears itself, then you will say o cielore.
O cielore.
Yes, and you see now we have cielo of frying, cielo of fencing, and cielo of spearing. And that's why Lua is a bit technical on that subject. That's why in this channel you'll see that I don't really get into the educational aspect of the Lua. I got into the speech more than the educational part. Number 4 is Marco.
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 Macore.
Macore.
Marco.
Marco.
Macore.
Macore.
Marco is what?
Hold.
Yes. Marco is hold. So, Marco, that means hold or retain. And macore means, now macore means sticky. If something is sticky, you say o macore. That means it's like what? Like when you're kneading a dough, when you want to cook chapati. Yeah. And then now when that's sticky, that is called macore.
Macore.
Yes. Okay? So maco is hold or retain, but macore becomes sticky. I don't know if macore can be like, there's a form of macore that brings the stickiness to. Anyway, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Cano.
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 Now there is a place next to Kisumu called Kano.
Cano.
So, and it's the same spelling. So you must be, you have to say the correct thing, okay? So this is Kano.
Cano.
And Kano means keep or store. Kano. Watch ni Kano.
Cano.
Canore.
Canore.
Cano.
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 So Kano, you cannot be Canore, okay? Because Kano is a place. But Kano is Canore.
Canore.
Yes. Kano, Canore. Kano is to keep. And then now Canore is keeping itself, I guess. If it's keeping itself, then you say it's okanore. Okay? Number 5 is, how long do you have? 10 minutes?
9 minutes.
Okay. Number 5 is puonjo.
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 Say puonjo.
Puonjo.
Puonjore.
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 Now, puonjo means what?
Teach.
Yes, teach. And now you get these things. Puonjo is teach. Puonjore is teaching yourself. Puonjore, teaching yourself. Puonjo, teach. Apart from teach, puonjo might mean instruct. So there is teach, instruct, educate, train. All those is puonjo. And all those can be puonjore. Teaching yourself, educating yourself, training yourself, all that is puonjore. Okay? Then number 3,
6.
that number is neno.
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 Nenore.
Nenore.
Neno.
Neno.
Nenore.
Nenore.
And neno has a lot of meanings again. The first meaning of neno is to witness.
Or see.
Yeah, the second one is see. And the third one is to give a eulogy. You know eulogy? When someone dies and they go up in front and start saying that. That is
Give a speech.
not a speech, but you're saying, oh, this guy was good, blah, blah, blah. He was bad. That is neno. So, neno, that neno of eulogy, it does not be nenore. But the neno that you will have to, that gets the reflexive form, is the one for C. Not C, sorry. No, neno, I don't think it does, because nenore means, nenore means what? I wrote it somewhere. Seems. It seems, you know? Nenore means seems. It seems like. Nenore ni. Okay? So all this, in as much as neno becomes nenore, but if you look at the meanings, the first neno means witness, the second neno means eulogy, and the third neno means see. And all those, if you look at seems, it's all different. Okay? I hope you understand as a Luo enthusiast. Number 7, I think, is duoko.
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 Duokore.
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 So duoko, duokore.
Duokore.
And duoko means return. Return. Duoko is return. So duokore is returning itself. So duoko is return, and then duokore is returning itself. Good? Good. Then solo.
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 Solore.
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 Now this is like an English word. The English word is solo. But this you say solo.
Solo.
Say solo.
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 Solore.
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 Yes, and solo means what? Solo means to recruit. To recruit people, like you solo people, to gather people or to collect people together. And then solore now means they are gathering themselves. G solore, the people are gathering themselves to a place, okay? And it also means collect people, maybe insects are collecting themselves in a place, you say, insect is called what? Where? Insects. So when insects are called koko.
Koko.
Any insect is koko. So if insects are collecting themselves in a place, you say gisolore.
Gisolore.
Yes, koko solore. That means they are gathering themselves in a place. But solo also means to simmer. You know, to simmer, like if you want to cook ugali and the water has started to boil kidogo kidogo. It's not boiled yet, but it's almost boiling. That is solo. Okay? So, ose chako solore. That also has solore. Okay? The last one is koro.
Koro.
And koro is very challenging because there is koro and there is koro and there is koru. Huh? So, the one we are going to talk about is koro. Say koro.
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 Korore.
Korore.
Koro.
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 Korore.
Korore.
Now, koro is to stiffen. Like if you have, you know, when you're cooking, when you want to cook, you're kneading a dough. You want to cook chapati, and then the flour is sticky. Now, to make it unsticky, you have to add in more flour, and that is the process of making it not being sticky. So if it's a lot of more flour than water, then you say okorore.
Okorore.
Okay? But the koro, you know koro?
Yes.
Koro means what? Koro means
So now.
foretell.
Yeah.
To foretell the future. Like those future, how you call those people? Waganga. Fortune tellers, yes. They do koro. And there is no korore for that. There is fortune telling. Then there is just now. Koro. Koro. Say koro.
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 Koro, just now.
Koro.
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 Fortune telling. Huh? Koro.
Koro.
Stephen. That's it for the Luo English Dictionary for the day.
Please make sure if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post
When we post. Now today, if you click here, see here, you'll subscribe. This is a video that YouTube recommends that you watch, and this is our latest video. For now,
Oriti, goodbye.